The YouTube video that is titled How I'd Make 10K a Month If I Had to Start Again, which was produced by the YouTube channel Mark Tilbury, is 14 minutes and 1 second in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. First, Mark talks about selling information products. He mentions the potential of earning over $10,000 a month by selling information products. This method is reportedly used by about 85% of young millionaires encountered by Mark. But 85% of what? 2 millionaires. Here we have to exercise blind faith that he is telling the truth. Information products have a global reach and are not limited by location, making them an ideal online business model. Next is identifying profitable niches. Mark suggests focusing on lucrative niches like health. For instance, the magnetic memory method, an information product enhancing memory skills, is highlighted as a successful example. This product appeals to a broad audience, including students aiming to excel in exams. He then chats about the importance of expertise in a chosen field. If one lacks expertise, partnering with an expert or working behind the scenes is recommended. For example, collaborating with a tennis coach to create and sell tennis-related information products. This advice goes against most entrepreneurs who say, choose a niche you know and are passionate about. A contrapreneur is a con man masquerading as an entrepreneur. Then it's sales and marketing strategies. Mark then emphasizes the significance of conversion rates and building an online community through platforms like Facebook or Discord. He also stresses the importance of building a personal brand and using platforms like TikTok for wider reach. Obviously, no objective advice or a possible timeline, just vague pontifications. Next, Mark mentions email marketing and upselling. He says building an email list to control your audience is advised, as opposed to relying solely on social media platforms. The concept of a value ladder is introduced, where customers are upsold through various offers, increasing their spending. Then he chats about maximizing profits through VIP coaching and memberships in the guise of offering VIP coaching sessions and starting an online membership option. For instance, charging $50 per month for membership. He says this could lead to substantial annual revenue, and it could obviously also lead to making nothing, a point he fails to mention. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were one or two topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Tilbury then delves into investing the money earned from these businesses. He recommends using investment apps for buying stocks and ETFs and highlights the benefits of zero-commission investing. If any of these topics look interesting, seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how-to-make-money-fast videos that just recycle the obvious suspects. He then talks about customer lifetime value, in that understanding and maximizing the lifetime value of a customer is crucial. Selling to the same customer multiple times increases this value, leading to higher overall profits. This point is obvious, but true. He then touches upon automating business processes and the possibility of working remotely. Please feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus that you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility and attract more ad revenue. Let me know in the comments below. He suggests hiring others to manage certain aspects of the business, allowing for more flexibility and potentially advantageous tax breaks. He then talks about diversification, where he mentions starting a print-on-demand store as another income stream, but advises caution and further research. He has a very dubious video on this, which I shall review in the near future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.